So hello everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day. For this little DIY tutorial, I want to showcase the farmhouse transfer. I just got this in today and I could not wait to use it. I made this little box that will go on my kitchen table and hold napkins and the napkin rings and some other little knickknacks, decor and stuff. So I'm just going to smooth this on, and then I'm going to line up the second part to make sure that everything is nice and lined up and straight. This goes on really quickly. This whole thing didn't take me very long at all, maybe 10 minutes after I got the box made and painted. So after this, I'm just going to dry that, make sure everything is ready for the next transfer. I'm going to use eucalyptus green. I love this color, it's so pretty. And I love that you can switch out and make it a little bit different. Super, super pretty. I'm just going to dry this because I'm going to layer a little bird on top of it. So I want to make sure that it doesn't stick or none of the chalk comes off the first layer. And I'm going to do the little bird in red. Super cute, super simple, super fast. This came together so quickly. I just love it. So here's the finished product. I hope that y'all enjoyed watching the video. I'd love for you to give me thumbs up and share and visit me on Instagram at the Chalking Archie. Thank you.